Discover the NAB Show, the ultimate destination for media, entertainment and technology professionals. Explore innovation and connect with industry leaders right here in Las Vegas. Well, it's so good to catch up with Zach Hoffman here from Heartland Video Systems, all the way from Plymouth, Wisconsin, and first time at NAB for you.
Yeah, that's correct. First time at NAB and first time here in Las Vegas, so it's been a very exciting time so far.
I'm sure it has, yeah. And tell us all about Heartland Video Systems, because you're maybe somebody that we haven't heard much about, but we'd love to know your position within the media industry.
Sure, so Heartland Video Systems, we are a industry-leading TV broadcast station reseller. We are an integrator, and now we're actually a manufacturer for a line of products we acquired just at the tail end of last year called Videstra.
And what are those products and what do they do?
So as far as Heartland is concerned, we do a ton of business in everything from encoding, pretty much the whole plant for broadcast stations, but Videstra really dials in specifically to outdoor IP cameras, so think weather, traffic, rooftop cameras, tower cameras for all the beauty shots that we like to see on the broadcast news.
And what are the conversations you're having at the stands here?
Right, so we're talking to folks in all portions of the industry. We're looking to see how we can help grow our product, but also help kind of fit some niches in the industry where our product can help other broadcasters in expanding their plants, right, and trying to help kind of fit some needs that a lot of folks kind of have to do themselves up until relatively recently.
Okay, so you're obviously ahead of the curve. You're looking at all the trends. How are you providing these products and these solutions, and what are you seeing? What are people needing and wanting?
Right, well, kind of to paint a good picture for you is a lot of folks have cameras out there, right, as far as IP-based, we call them micro-local IP cameras. They're out in the field, they're really hard to get to as far as IP traffic is concerned. So what our system does is helps go out and reach out and grab that video footage, and it brings it back into the broadcast plant all in one place. It's a really stable infrastructure. That stable infrastructure is also helping provide a kind of a revenue generation point, right, where we can actually do sponsorships for those cameras right inside of our system without the need for extra gear like key and fill, for example. We don't have to have that. So we generate a lot of revenue with those cameras and kind of make those beauty shots put in some work for the station.
So obviously people are talking about tight budgets at the minute, so you can help.
Right, absolutely. Our model for Videstra is mainly what we call CapEx, right? So you pay for it and you own it. So we usually see that ROI pay off in about the first year with camera sponsorships, pending on the station's sales team, right? They got to get out there and sell those cameras. But we see that ROI come back pretty quick, and then after a year, you're just making money with the product. So It's great.
So where do you think we're heading next?
Yeah, so right now it's a big thing for us because we just acquired the company in late December, and brought it into the Heartland fold. So the next steps for us really is just to continue supporting it, and then also growing the product. We're taking a lot of advice, or maybe some needs that we're seeing that our customers that exist out there are asking for, and trying to see how we can integrate that into the product already. So continue growing it and supporting our customers.
And who are your customers and the potential customers out there? Who do you want?
Right, so right now we work mainly with call letter TV broadcast stations, but the power of our system is really cool for outside of broadcast, right? So we know a lot of folks love zoo cameras. We like the racetrack cameras and all that stuff. So as we further develop the product, we want to try and tap into those markets as well to help other non-call letter stations get their cameras online. So we also offer cloud services, something I didn't really touch on yet. So we can
tell us more.
Yeah, so we can also get cameras to web leveraging the power of the cloud. So we can take your cameras that we're typically just bringing into the broadcast plant, where we're converting that into HD SDI for use on air. We can also take those cameras, spool them up to the cloud, and once they're in the cloud, we can actually hand those off to the website so they can get traffic there as well as capitalize on that with on web sponsorships too.
So it's a really exciting time for Heartland Video Systems.
Right. As somebody who was an engineer for Heartland Video Systems before taking this role, I saw a lot of these systems being rolled out by engineers at stations, doing it what we call the DIY approach. You got a pile of equipment, and so this is really exciting that we can do everything that all those pieces of gear can do all in one box. It makes it super scalable. Our customers love the fact that they can go out and just buy a camera, put it on a tower, rooftop, wherever they want it, that's it. You just bring it back into the system, and now you have your camera in-house without anything extra.
Well, you're smiling, you're enjoying the show, and you're enjoying Las Vegas. I hope it continues.
Yeah, absolutely. As long as the weather holds out while I'm here. I'm from Wisconsin right now. It's 40 degrees and raining. So for me right now, I'm just enjoying the sunshine and enjoying the great company of everyone here. So
absolutely, very positive experience. Thanks, and lovely to meet you, Zach.
Yeah, it's great to meet you as well. Thank you so much.